Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to make some kale, but I wanted to make it the way Americans do, which is basically you add some olive oil, some garlic and salt for taste, and that's it. So if you guys are ready, we are going to get started. So over here I have about 2 bunches of kale. So I'm gonna go ahead and roughly chop these, because we are going to go ahead and saute them. So now I'm done. We are going to go ahead and saute these. So to this medium heated pan, I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of garlic. And I'm going to add in some butter. A half tablespoon of butter. Next, you want to add in your kale. And I added in some water, about 2 teaspoons of water to help it steam. I put it in here. So now we're going to go ahead and let it cover up. And I'm going to add in about half teaspoon of salt. So I added in another tablespoon of water to help it steam. So guys, this is how it looks like. It is done. So you only cook it about 5 to 7 minutes. And that's how it looks like, guys. I hope you guys like this video. And please don't forget to comment, subscribe if you are interested in these kind of videos. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you next time when I make something new. Bye.